Hello, digital entrepreneurs. Introducing TouchSuite, a merchant and payment processing and POS systems provider. Are you ready to dive into the world of credit repair digital services, streamlining e-commerce transactions? Join us for an insightful exploration of credit repair industry, backed by over 20 years of unparalleled expertise. Discover the power of our strategic partnerships with Visa, MasterCard, Discover, Amex, Wells Fargo, and more. With a track record of assisting over 50,000 merchants, we take pride in our commitment to domestic U.S. support, available 24/7. Uncover how we stand ready to assist you whenever you need us, redefining the landscape of credit repair solutions. But before we get started, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to leave a comment below to let us know your thoughts on this topic. The need for online credit card processing. This shift in consumer behavior has necessitated the need for credit repair businesses to establish a robust online presence. To cater to customers' preferences, these businesses must offer online credit card processing. Understanding e-commerce gateway and merchant accounts. An e-commerce gateway acts as a secure bridge between the credit repair business's website and the payment processor, ensuring the smooth transmission of payment information. It encrypts sensitive data, such as credit card details, to protect against unauthorized access and fraud. Overcoming challenges with high-risk credit card processing. Specialized high-risk credit card processing providers cater specifically to these businesses. These providers have the expertise and knowledge to navigate the unique challenges associated with credit repair merchant processing, ensuring seamless transactions and mitigating risks. The role of payment gateway solutions in credit repair merchant processing. A payment gateway serves as the intermediary between the credit repair business's website and the payment processor. It securely transmits payment data, encrypting sensitive information to protect against fraud and unauthorized access. CBD Payment Gateway, a special consideration for credit repair businesses. Credit repair businesses involved in CBD sales require a specialized CBD payment gateway. These gateways are designed to address the unique challenges associated with processing CBD transactions and ensure compliance with regulations. Streamlining operations with credit repair payment processing. Efficient credit repair payment processing is essential for the smooth operation of credit repair businesses. With the right payment processing solution, these businesses can automate recurring billing, manage subscriptions, and offer flexible payment options to customers. If you're looking for trusted payment solutions for your business, be sure to visit TouchSuite's website. With over 20 years of experience, TouchSuite is your go-to payments provider, trusted by 50,000+ companies worldwide, from startups to global brands. Thank you for joining us today, and we'll see you in the next video.